Choosing the right stroller is one of the most significant decisions new parents will make, as it impacts everything from daily outings and family adventures to the comfort and safety of your little one. This guide aims to simplify your search by highlighting the best strollers available today, tailored to suit various needs and lifestyles. Whether you're an on-the-go parent, a city dweller, or someone who loves outdoor excursions, our carefully curated list will help you navigate your options, ensuring you find the perfect fit for your family while making those precious moments just a little bit easier. So, let's dive in and discover the 5 best strollers that will keep both you and your baby happy and comfortable. You can find all the product links in the description box below. And for a more in-depth analysis, please visit our website at yourpicked.com. If this is your first time here, please show some love by liking this video and hitting the subscribe button with the bell icon to get notified of our latest updates. Let's jump right in. Number 5. Evenflo Pivot Xplore Dreamz. If you're looking for the ultimate versatile stroller, the Evenflo Pivot Xplore all-terrain stroller wagon is your answer. This innovative design offers parents 2 rides in one, letting you easily switch from push to pull mode. The 3-position telescoping handle adjusts for comfort, making it perfect for parents of varying heights. All-terrain wheels make this wagon exceptional. They allow you to traverse all surfaces, whether you're strolling through the park or rolling on the beach. You'll enjoy seamless travel without worrying about rugged terrain slowing you down. Sun safety matters too. The UPF 50+ sun shielding canopies protect your little ones from harsh rays, keeping sensitive skin secure during sunny outings. Keeping everything organized is a breeze. Thoughtful storage inside and out holds essentials like water bottles and diaper bags, all within arm's reach. This feature significantly enhances on-the-go convenience. Sharing snacks has never been easier either. A well-designed snack tray lets 2 passengers interact and enjoy mealtime together, which makes outings feel more engaging. Designed with growth potential, this wagon grows with your family. It accommodates 2 children aged 6 months to 5 years, supporting up to £55 per seat. You can customize seating arrangements by adding a toddler seat or car seat, which opens up more options as your family expands. While this wagon is not the lightest choice on the market, it offers remarkable durability and functionality. Its compact fold fits through standard doorways easily and can be stowed for travel effortlessly. You'll love how well it adapts to various situations while providing comfort and convenience. Dive into this remarkable stroller wagon for an exceptional parenting experience. Number 4. Graco SnugFit 35. Introducing the Graco SnugFit 35 infant car seat, a game changer for parents looking for safety and comfort. This car seat offers serious protection for your little one, accommodating infants from 4 to 35 pounds and up to 32 inches tall. Your peace of mind is enhanced by the anti-rebound bar, which provides an extra layer of rear-facing safety during car rides. Adjusting the headrest and harness together is simple thanks to the front adjust, no rethread, simply safe adjust harness system. This feature is especially handy when your child is snug in the seat. With a 4-position adjustable base, parents can choose from 4 recline positions, ensuring proper installation for different vehicles. For smaller infants, the infant head and body supports create a secure and cozy fit. Additionally, an easy-to-read pendulum level indicator takes the guesswork out of installation, so you can hit the road with confidence. What stands out most about the SnugFit 35 is how user-friendly it is during everyday use. With so many car seats on the market, this model excels in both convenience and safety. It outperforms other brands in terms of ease of adjustment and installation, giving parents a stress-free experience. On the downside, it can feel a bit bulkier than some ultra-lightweight models. However, this added weight translates to a more robust build, which can provide better safety outcomes. You will appreciate how this car seat balances safety, comfort, and ease of use for your baby. If you value a dependable car seat that grows with your child, exploring the Graco SnugFit 35 further is a great idea. Number 3. Uppababy Cruz V2 Stroller. Looking for a stroller that checks all the boxes? Consider the Uppababy Cruz V2 Stroller, a top-tier choice in the market, designed with both style and performance in mind. This full-featured stroller stands out among its competitors. First, the included toddler seat impresses with its versatility. You can easily switch between forward and backward positions. Plus, with the one-handed recline feature, adjusting to your child's mood becomes a breeze. Nap time or exploring, you decide. Sun protection remains crucial. An extendable UPF 50+ canopy offers additional shielding from harmful rays. Mesh panels ensure your little one stays cool during hot days, while allowing you to peek in easily. Practicality shines through in its extra-large, easy-access basket. Whether you're grabbing the diaper bag or picking up toys, this spacious basket holds up to 30 pounds, making outings simple. Say goodbye to juggling items. This stroller has your back. Strolling in style is a highlight, thanks to luxurious fabrics and premium full-grain leather details. The adjustable handlebar accommodates parents of varying heights, enhancing comfort during walks. For those concerned about bumpy terrain, the patented two-stage system with all-wheel suspension ensures a smooth ride. Independent shocks adapt easily, providing comfort regardless of the path. Folding this stroller is another well-designed trait. This intuitive one-step fold stands on its own, saving you from struggling. While some may miss extra built-in storage, the Cruz's features more than compensate. With an emphasis on quality, you'll find this stroller delivers great value. You'll love the overall combination of luxury and practicality. Stroller seekers must experience the Uppababy Cruz V2 for themselves. You won't regret it. Explore more about this delightful product today. Check the link in the description box below for a more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so stay tuned until the end so you get everything. Number 2. Uppababy Vista 5. Looking for the best stroller on the market? Look no further than the Uppababy Vista 5.2 Stroller. This convertible system adapts beautifully as your family grows, accommodating up to 3 children with the addition of accessories and adapters. One major perk is the included toddler seat. It boasts a reversible design, allowing your little one to face you or the world ahead. This feature ensures you can stay connected while sharing every adventure. The bassinet also stands out, suitable from birth up to 20 pounds. Its breathable mattress pad and vented base create a safe resting space for newborns. Parents love how easy it is to transition from bassinet to toddler seat. With a one-handed recline, the multi-position toddler seat ensures your child enjoys naps and sights comfortably. Flexibility is essential for busy families, and this stroller delivers. Sun protection is vital for little ones, and the extendable canopies with UPF 50+ ratings make outdoor adventures worry-free. Mesh panels on the canopy allow airflow while providing a peek-in feature. An extra-large, easy-access basket is a delight, offering ample storage for diaper bags and toys. It holds up to 30 pounds, making grocery trips and outings simpler. Stylish design wins significant points. Luxurious fabrics and premium full-grain leather details elevate the stroller's appearance. The adjustable handlebar accommodates parents of different heights, enhancing everyone's experience. One little inconvenience is its weight. While a bit heavier than some competing models, the robust design ensures durability and stability. Overall, this stroller remains unmatched in its adaptability and thoughtful design features. Check it out to see why so many parents rave about the Uppababy Vista 5.2. Number 1. Doona LATCH Base. Looking for a game changer in baby gear? The Doona LATCH Base is your ultimate solution. This innovative base perfectly complements the Doona car seat and stroller, creating seamless travel for you and your little one. You'll appreciate the secure click-in and easy click-out mechanism. This feature simplifies life for busy parents. No more struggling with tricky installations, just fast mobility and peace of mind. Enjoy effortless transitions between car and stroller, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, your child. Height adjustment is a standout feature. Easy-to-read level indicators help ensure optimal positioning. Parents can feel confident knowing their seat is safely locked in at the correct angle. This clarity reduces any doubt during installation, making trips less stressful. You'll find the quick and simple installation a major plus. The latch connector system allows for rapid setup. Belt-locking clips add another layer of convenience, making sure the seat belt secures snugly in place. Intended for rear-facing only, this design prioritizes your child's safety during travel. While the Doona LATCH Base connects seamlessly to the Doona car seat and stroller, it doesn't accommodate other brands. This focused compatibility means less versatility. However, for families committed to the Doona system, this is a minimal drawback. What stands out most is how user-friendly this product is. Ease of installation, combined with safety features, creates a trustworthy experience. For parents seeking reliability and innovation, look no further than the Doona LATCH Base. Investigate this top-tier product for your family's next adventure. Check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date on all the products mentioned in this video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please remember to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.